When you deserve a break, you don't have to travel far to get away from it all. There's a place you can go where you can relax and recharge, where you can slow down, watch the river flow, and reconnect with your family. A place where everything you want to see and everything you want to do is within walking distance from your room. You'll stroll through the Arts District, journey from the river to the sea and beyond. Amaze your kids. Rediscover the kid in you. Let your hair down. Kick your heels up. Eat somebody else's food. Catch up on shopping. And if that's not enough, nature is just a stone's throw away. You can climb a mountain with ease. Walk to the edge of the world. And even take off. Explore your wild side. Journey beneath the earth. Stop the world to collect your thoughts and discover what you've been missing. You can relax, recharge, and reconnect. Take a Chattanooga getaway. Chattanooga, a great city by nature.